Hi guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Alright, I know this is not my usual self, but please, I really needed to do this video because it's urgent, and with the fact that a lot of people are reaching out to me on how to come and study in Italy, so I said, okay, let me make this video. So please ignore my face and ignore the background. The message is important. Don't look at the messenger. so sorry guys, straight to the point. Please, if you are going to authenticate a document at Abuja, this is an updated video. Please authenticate the photocopies of all your school documents. Yes, authenticate photocopies of all your school documents and also your non-educational documents. Because you see, these people at the Italian embassy, their informations are not up to date. They give half-baked information on their site. In fact, if you go to their site and trust what you see there, just know that you are just going to enter one chance. The information they are half-baked. It's not what is happening at the embassy at all. So please, as I get updated on new things every day, one or two things changes, things just come up, and it's kind of like annoying, but nevertheless, follow this channel and I will keep you updated on what's going on at Italian embassy per time, as when it comes to legalization of school documents for study visa. So please make sure you authenticate photocopies of all your original documents at Abuja, Ministry of Foreign Affairs and Ministry of Education, before you take it to the Italian embassy for legalization. And then again, your birth certificates that you're going to use at the Italian embassy for legalization, of course you need this for your study visa. Make sure when you are swearing the affidavit, the person that is swearing the affidavit for you, his or she's photograph, passport photograph, must be on the birth certificate affidavit. That's for those that are swearing. Maybe you are born below 1993, 1991 or so, thereabout, I can't remember. But if you are using affidavit and birth certificates, then you have to make sure you are going to put the picture of the person that swore the affidavit for you on the birth certificate, which is attached to the affidavit of birth. So guys, that is it. Please like my videos, help me share my videos, and of course you can encourage me with a super thanks. I'm bringing information your way. Many of you will come and slide in my DM. I will give you my time, answer you. The only thing I'm asking for is like, subscribe and share my video. If God touched your heart, give me a super thanks. Appreciate me. That's the way people will be gingering me. But anyway, that aside, in case you also need a good agent, maybe you do not live in Lagos, you do not want to go today to the embassy and then your documents are rejected for mistakes whatsoever, contact me for a good agent to save you time and to save you also money. So guys, you can contact me, like I say, on Instagram, on Facebook, but most times I prefer Facebook. Follow me there and also write me on Messenger. So guys, I will see you in another of my video. Bye bye.